Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which says subscribe, hit that, and next to that is the bell icon as well. Hit that so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. As you can see, I have created this look by using Sugar brand products. Sugar is one of my favorite brand and I am literally liking all the products. So without rambling too much, let's get into the video. So firstly, I have this Sugar product which is a compact powder. This is Add Nude as it gets SPF 15. It's a compact powder and it's in the shade 01. So it looks like this. It has a mirror on the top, as you can see, and as you can see, I'm already hitting the pan. So I use this compact powder a lot. So as you can see, I'm already done with the color correcting, like the concealer, foundation, everything. I'm going to use this compact powder to set everything out. To the brow part. So this is the brow product that I have from Sugar brand. So this is in the shade 02 Top Tom. So it comes in two shades. I think one is this Top Tom and second one is the kind of a brown color. So it comes in this kind of a thing. As you can see, one side is very smooth spoolie, and this is the shade that I have. This is the Top Tom. Okay, so I'm going to use this one now. Firstly, I'm going to set my eyebrows so that I can see where I have to fill in the eyebrows and where I have to give the shape to my eyebrows. So next I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows. One thing of this product, like, it will not going to give you the perfect, the sharp kind of eyebrows, but yes, it will give you a natural looking eyebrows that I have right now. It is kind of a natural, it is filled properly, but yes, it's not giving me the sharpness that I want, obviously, but yes, it's good for like daily use, you can say, or like normal go-to makeup anywhere. But yes, if you're going for a wedding or anything, this is not the product that you want. Yes. The next product that I have is the eye shade quad. I'm in the shade 09, which is diamonds. This is the Blend the Rule eye shade quad. So it comes in this kind of a packaging. It's very sleek, it's very beautiful. Again, I would say I love the packaging. So it comes in this kind of packaging, beautiful colors, beautifully pigmented. I already used it once. So as you can see, one thing is missing in this that is mirror. I would say if there is a mirror on this will be like, this product will be like this. Yeah, so these are the four shades, as it's a kind of brown, and this is blue, this is the purplish, this is the kind of a greenish grayish color. So I'm going to create a look with these. I'm going to take this purplish color and I'm going to take a shader brush, and I'm just going to take it on this shader brush. And I'm just going to take this shader brush onto my eyelids. Take this blue color on a dense eye brush. I'm just going to work it on my outer V corner. Take another shader brush and I'm going to take this grayish greenish color on this shader brush, and I'm going to go it onto the inner lids. Take a fluffier brush and I'm taking this darker brown shade, like a little bit, and I'm just going to work onto my crease. Like, I'm going to just cancelling out the harsh edges and working on my crease. Taking a dense brush again, I'm taking this brown color, I'm working it onto the lower lid. A wet tissue and I'm just going to clean the edges. And I have These two eyeliners from Sugar. One is this wax eyeliner and this is the sketch eyeliner. This is the wax eyeliner is I Told You So waterproof eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. So this is how it looks like. It has a very good brush, as you can see. Next is this sketch eyeliner, and this is Arrested for Overstay waterproof eyeliner, and it's in the shade 01 I Will Be Black. So this is the tip of the sketch eyeliner. As you can see, I'm going to use this one because this is so handy, so I'm going to use the sketch eyeliner. Product that I have is this Twist and Shout FADEPROOF Kajal. This is in the shade 01 Black Velvet. So again, a black packaging, and I love this. It's a very grippy Kajal. So now I'm just going to run this onto my tight line. Also to the outer corner. Next that I have is this mascara from Sugar. This is the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade 01 Black with the band, and literally I love this mascara. I already have a review on this mascara. I'm going to link that in the bottom bar. You can check that out. I'm just going to run this one onto my eyelashes. I love how this turns out. So the next product that I have is this Contour de Force face palette, and this is in the shade 01 Subtle Submit. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to open this one. So it's bronzer, highlighter and a blusher. Beautiful combo, and it has a mirror on the top as well, as you can see. So I'm just going to use these three. Firstly, the bronzer. I'm going to take this blusher. Taking this small brush, and I'm just going to contour my nose. These are highlighters with my fingers, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm taking it on my finger, see how pigmented it is. I'm going to apply it onto my brow bone to finish the look. What is this lip color? So I have these 5 lip colors from Sugar. This is their Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick. This is in the shade 03 Poison Ivy, and this is the same Matte as Hell lip crayon. This is in the shade 04 Holly Gaulish. Yes, and this is their shade It's About Time Vivid Lipsticks 04 Coraline in the City. And next is this Smudge Me Not lipsticks, and this is in the shade 07 Rethink Pink, and the other shade is 05 Rust Lust. So today I'm going to use this lipstick. This is the Pout lipstick. I'm using in the shade 04 Coraline in the City. I'm using this beautiful orange shade. With this look, I think this will go better. Yep. We are done with the look, guys, and as you can see, this is how the look turns out, and I am literally loving this look. So these are all the products that I have. I don't have the other products, but I'm surely gonna buy that because Sugar is like one of my favorite brands. I'm surely gonna buy that. If you like the look and if you like the video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. It's totally free. There are no charges to subscribe this channel. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.